Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Vishwa. In this video session, we are going to understand what is SQL Server Index. You can find this complete session notes inside my blog. I will give this blog link and chapter link in the video description below. Before starting to the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future videos. And if you ended up liking my video, gives me a thumbs up and share this video with your friend. Let's start. So what is SQL Server indexes? Okay, index is same index in SQL Server index is a same index like our book index. Okay, means it will help our data, our SQL query to find out the exact data. Okay, same thing. SQL indexes are used in relational database to quickly retrieve the data. Okay, like in book also, if we know the page number of the chapter, we can get the data, we can get to the chapter easily. Just same as SQL Server. Okay, there are two type of index. One is cluster index, one is non-cluster index. So let's view one by one. So what is a cluster index? A cluster index defines the order in which data is physically stored in the table. Table data can be stored in only way, therefore there can be only one clustered index per table. In SQL Server, the primary key constant automatically create a clustered index in a particular column. This is an important question in interview guys. What is clustered index and how automatic cluster index created in SQL Server. Next, an advantage of clustered index is searching for a range of value will be fast. A clustered index is internally maintain a B tree data structure. B tree means balanced tree data structure. Okay. Next come to non-cluster index. A non-cluster index is an index where the order of row does not match with physical order, right? You can find here the order of data is physically stored in the table, but in case of non-cluster index, it does not match of the actual data. It is instead order by column that makes up index. We can create maximum 999 non-cluster index on a table, which is 254 before SQL Server 2005. So this also interview question, how many non-cluster index we can create inside a table. We can now, after SQL Server 2005, we can create 999. Before 2005, we can create 254. And in case of clustered index, we can create only one clustered index, right? And non-clustered index is also maintain a balanced tree data structure in leaf node. So we see for clustered index also a balanced tree and non-clustered index also a balanced tree. So let's see what is the balanced tree. This is exactly the balanced tree. So I will tell you by giving you or showing you one example. Let's go to SQL Server. So you can see here on table, demo table, here 69 record are there. This auto ID, okay. This auto ID has 69 record are there. If I sort something, let's say 50. For now we can see easily. So just click on here, you can see include actual execution plan. Now run. See the execution plan. So it is doing a table scanning, means it is going row by row. First checking the auto ID, this one is 50, no, then skip this one, next go to 2, checking 50, no, again going to this line by line. When it's come to the 50, at that time our result is showing. So when it is in small data, when there is a crores of record, lakhs of record, so at that time there is a chances of slow performance. So we need to do index scanning. So index create balance tree. So what is a balance tree? Let's see. So how it will do? Let's say in my table there are 69 record. It will divide it first root node. It will divide it like 50 and after 50. Next, this 50 again divided into two chunks, two node. Again, whatever the remaining after 50 again divided into two node. So now if I create a index, if I create a index and run this query 50, so what will happen? This will happen like this, right? Like first it will check 50, it's coming under which node? This node, right? Then it's means completely this particular node has been skipped. Next, it is checking to this second node, it's checking leaf level node, where is 50, it is coming under here. So this means this particular node has been skipped. So our SQL query will go now only to 26 to 50. So performance will get higher. I think you get a better idea by watching into this diagram. Okay. So both the indexes are creating balance tree in data structure. So what is the difference in both the index apart from the count of we can create? Let's see. So here you can see this is clustered index and this is non-clustered index. Both are creating balance tree, but a non-clustered index always pointed to a clustered index leaf node. You can see this is pointed to this one. This is pointed to this one. So a non-clustered index leaf node are always contains the pointers to clustered index, right? It is a big interview question, important interview question. What is the difference? Big difference. Okay. So today I got the theoretical idea about cluster index. In my next SQL session classes, I will show how to create clustered index, how to create non-clustered index and rebuild it, delete it. Okay guys, for today this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.